will be directed in data set. Next, when we go to front end, open the front end with using IDM, IDLE 3.6. System perfect. Here we have run every code has been displayed in front end only, whereas tkinter is the user interface, graphical user interface, and mainly used for the front end purpose. Next, here from bill import image, where the image has been taken by this. Here the image equals to photo image file, where here the actual image has been loaded. This is the code which we have used for our Raspberry face recognition. These are the things. Stop video means it is used to stop the recording of camera. Create local binary patterns histograms for face recognition. Actually, this code is designed for the purpose of patterns. Uh, I mean, the patterns in such a way that it is designed in a way where packets of 50 to 51 images has been collected. Next, get images and labels. This entire thing is same. It repeats for all the files. The loop, it will be loop again and again. After for every each and every image, it will be looped until the uh, image path it finds its image path. It will loop. Next, these are all the index where I mean these are the indexes which we have used from 0 to etc. This index is basically known as the space or the contents of the face detection recognition of our project is done here. Project is face recognition. In that, we have to blink our eyes to recognize that the user is correct user or unknown person. To recognize that, we build in these programs uh, face detection, detect blinking and eyes color. when you do this definition of click, actually means that it opens a window with the title of welcome and with the geometry of 1920 to 1080 pixel, and the configuration background of this window is in brown color. Here at the last step we discuss about the window button, about the button equals to tk dot button window text click here, command click width 10, height 1, font size C, button place x is equals 981, y is equals to 250, and this is the x and y path and width and length of the window, uh, and when we click when we by giving these comments in the front end, we can run the code and we can run our project, and our project is mainly dependent on the face recognition, that is uh, our, uh, that is when we detect when unknown person face is detected, it's it doesn't take. That is the main process of our project, and now I will run the project. Here this column enables now camera will be opened, and face will be detected, and that will be shared in a data set which I have mentioned before.